Hello everyone, welcome to Freshly Smooth. Today I'm going to show you how to make red pineapple smoothie. And I will share a little hack you can make with your leftover smoothie, chia pudding.
For this smoothie you will need 1 cup of frozen bananas, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1 cup of frozen mangoes, splash of milk, When this smoothie is blended, add 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder. This step is completely optional. If you don't mind the taste of beets, add 1 tablespoon, and if you just want it for the color, 1 teaspoon. Beetroot powder is rich in calcium and iron. It's natural anti-inflammatory. It improves muscular endurance and recovery. When I have smoothie leftovers, I turn them into a chia pudding. Into airtight container, place 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with your smoothie leftover. If you don't have enough smoothie, feel free to mix it with a little bit of milk. Refrigerate it overnight. In the next morning, it's ready. Serve it with granola and enjoy it as a breakfast or for a snack. So here you have a delicious and healthy smoothie and a very tasty fruit chia pudding. Hope you enjoyed these recipes. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.